OpenXC is an open source platform that allows people with smartphones to connect to real-time vehicle data. It's really open-ended. I mean, we've designed the platform such that people have real-time access to the vehicle data, and then they can do whatever they want with that data, whether it be windshield wiper blade, engine RPM, vehicle speed, everything down to are the doors open or closed. You can even do hardware extensions. So you could take the vehicle data and integrate it with a new hardware device that you bring into the vehicle and do something new with that data. My name's Zach Nelson. I'm a research engineer here at Ford. What is something in the vehicle that could use some smart technology? And I thought of the manual transmission shift knob. So using the vehicle data, I've created a haptic feedback shift knob. And what this shift knob does is it provides a haptic pulse when the driver should shift to the next gear. So the idea is that drivers no longer need to look down at a light or indicator on the dash. They can instead simply wait for the haptic feel, and they can keep their eyes on the road and shift at the right time. This motor is just out of an Xbox 360 controller. The app could be configured in many different ways. One way could be to have it be a fuel efficiency coach. The shift knob would vibrate when the driver should shift into the next gear to get best fuel efficiency. For people who are new to manual transmission vehicles, this could be a great way to teach them how to shift into the next gear before they have sort of the instincts to know when to do that. At this point, all the design files have been released to the open source community. You can go onto the OpenXC platform website and get links to the firmware, the Android application, to the physical plastic housing file. So really the idea is that we can release this design to the public, and they can then take the haptic feedback shift knob and further develop the idea. The most recent vehicle that I put this in is a Shelby GT500 Mustang. One of the great benefits of OpenXC is the amount of customization that you can bring to your vehicle. I'm thinking specifically of the Mustang, which has been around since the 60s. Ever since then, people have been working to customize them, to make them better, to add performance features. What OpenXC allows you to do is to take real-time vehicle data that you would otherwise need high performance or more expensive tools to use a simple Android device, and you can instantly connect and do new things with this data. I mean, the first time that I hopped in a Shelby, turned the key on and heard the exhaust kind of that low rumble, and was able to successfully put this shift knob in there. I had a great sense of, okay, this is neat. It was definitely a huge accomplishment.